My name is Akhtar Nazir Khan Kuki. I'm from Pakistan. My company's name is Miyako International. We are producers, manufacturers, and exporters of handmade carpet from Pakistan. I have been coming to Xining, Shanghai since 2004. That was the first time, and then gradually it improved, and this exhibition had become a good exhibition of the standard of international exhibitions.
这是我们第16次参加藏坛展，在展会上呢，我们可以和各国的地毯参展商交流市场信息，了解他们的技术图案更新创新。因为今年是龙年嘛，所以我们带了一些有龙元素的这个设计的地毯。我们原料主要是以羊毛为主，真丝、竹纤维啊、天丝啊这些材质。我们的地毯现在主要销往欧美国家，还有中东一些就是酒店比较多的地方。展会提供了一个很好的展示交流的平台。